This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. This video sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Morning guys, April 1st, 2019. Here I gotta go install a little Insta hot water heater under a kitchen sink. The electrician's gonna have to come later and do some wiring for it so I can plug it in, but I'm gonna go over there and install
in 1/4 mile.
It's like for
State Road. Take the first left.
It's like instant hot water for tea or coffee or something like that. That's what it's all about. So I'm on my way over there now and try to get some shots of it if I can. It's probably a little half a gallon container that goes under the sink, and do what we gotta do to it. Alright guys, so we got a faucet here, 3 holes, and he's got a new faucet he wants me to put in also. So that's 1 hole, and then the soap dish will be 2. And this will be the 3rd one. I'll put the unit right down over there. I gotta cut a T in on the cold water to feed the water heater. And there's a new shut off on that one anyway, so we'll have to redo that on the cold. Got the water off downstairs already. Alright, so I got all the stuff out here. It's got 3 holes. This is going to be the new faucet. I'll probably have to kick it on an angle because of the hot water heater's going here. And soap dispenser's going here. The shut-offs are old shut-offs, so I want to put new ones for the faucet. And I got to cut a T in the bottom there to pick up the hot water heater, which I'm going to put over here. Screw it right in right there. So this will be for the heater, 1/4 inch, and these 2 will be for the hot and cold. Now I don't have 2 of the same. I only got 1 compression and 1 solder, so it's alright. I'll use the compression on the hot. I'm all out of them. I gotta get more in the truck so I don't have to run out. And they'll be like that. So I'm gonna mount the faucet to see how far down these shelves can go, and then we'll mount the water heater and see where this has to go before I do any cutting and soldering. Alright, so I did attach the hot and the cold right here. Took this off. I'm gonna attach this on the bottom. This will determine on where my shutoffs have to go, right? I'm gonna have to put it straight out because of this. If I try hitting on an angle, I mean it's gonna have to come straight out. I got no choice. Gonna look kind of funky, but this hole should be over here more. I'll just make sure I okay it with her. No other way around it. What's good about the tube, they're never gonna have the water spraying in the middle because it's too big, so it might work out. And this is gonna be the soap dish. And that's what the faucet's gonna look like right there. It's all together. Alright, so this thing comes out like this for a sprayer. Hooks right in there. This hose goes in, this lifts up, there's a connection right here for the hose. Need a special wrench for it. There's a gasket in there also. That's what that wrench is for. And that goes right down in there and that tightens up. A little busy here, but not much I could do about that.
This will be the hot and the cold right there. I just gotta tie in these valves downstairs. I did plug in the water heater, and I put it up in a couple of cups, but I did screw it into the sheetrock. It's screwed into the sheetrock. But I got it up on a couple of cups there. It should be alright like that. All I gotta do is tie the waters in now. That'll be my next project. Tie them waters in. And I put pipe dope on that Teflon. I put pipe dope on that ferrule and nut. I'll make sure that's nice and tight on there. You don't want it popping off. I usually use solder ones, but I don't have any more in the truck, so we'll use that one. Water's off right now. The main water's shut off at the house. Alright, these other two are open. I gotta solder these other ones up. We got one for the faucet, one for the water heater. cool, and we'll put the connections together. Alright guys, so I got everything tied in. I go turn the water on, everything's off, everything's tight. Hopefully I got no leaks. There's a faucet down here I had open to drain down here in the cellar. Yeah, I don't hear nothing. It's always good to check. We don't want no floods. Hey, cutie pie. How's it going? You're a cute little dog. We'll turn that all the way on, and then just back a little bit. Turn everything on for now. That unplugged till we get all. This can't be plugged until the electrician comes anyway. Keeping no leaks up there, get all that stuff tight. We just push this till it pushes all the air out, the water comes out. And like I said, the electrician's gonna come put a plug in for her. It's gonna push all the air out. Here it comes. Not a lot of room, but enough. I got 3 connections on top here. They're just 2 push on, and the other one's like a shock bite push on type. Well, my packing's leaking, right? Well, good enough for this neighborhood. I did put a pull tie here to hold this out of the way while I was soldering. We'll cut that now. Electrician's gonna have to put a plug somewhere. Run a power line over with a plug. There's power here for the disposal, so he's got constant power right here. Hey, you a cutie pie, huh? Aren't you a little cutie pie? Alright, that's it. I left all the booklets here. And she says she's gonna get rid of all this stuff, so it's fine. Aren't you a cute dog, huh? Aren't you a cutie pie? Aren't you a little cutie pie? What a cutie pie. Oh, what a beautiful little girl. Huh? I heard your name's Molly. It's like my dog. Oh, beautiful little girl. Cutie. Good girl. Go ahead. Good girl. Go ahead, good girl. Go ahead, Molly. Good girl. Come on, good girl.